And welcome back to Ashley You Life. This is my favorite time of year. Are you ready? Do you know what you want to be? Because if you don't, I've got some fun, easy costume ideas for you. Sometimes Halloween can sneak up on you and you're like, uh-oh, I don't have a costume. Well, I have some ideas for you that are super easy that you shouldn't have to buy a thing for, and you will look great. Now with all these looks, you're just gonna do your makeup like normal, and then we're gonna enhance that makeup to make you have a costume. This first look we're gonna do is going to be a cat. But we're gonna do things a little bit differently because you know what? Maybe you don't have cat ears sitting at home. Maybe you don't have a tail sitting at home. But you know what you probably have some black clothes and some cute black shoes, and you have hair. So these little tiny buns are gonna mimic your ears. And you're just gonna use makeup that you already have at home. To start off this cat look, I'm gonna use this NYX eyeshadow base that happens to be white. So this is where I'm gonna get my white color from. Now cats tend to have a little bit of white here where like their whiskers are coming out, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of white to my face, and I'm just gonna use my finger. Again, this does not have to be perfect. We're just doing the essence of a cat. I'm gonna go ahead and set this white with my translucent powder. Now for the black accents, I'm gonna use this Maybelline black eyeliner. Now for the nose, I'm gonna make a triangle shape. If you don't have an eyeliner like this, an eyeliner pencil will work just as well. Let's draw the mouth. We're gonna start at the nose that you just drew and draw a line straight down to your lips. So we're gonna go from the middle line that we just drew and kind of outline our lips in black and fill them in. Now let's draw the whiskers. Just 3 on each side. Now if you're going for this cat look, go ahead and make your eyeliner just a little bit more dramatic, more cat-like. And your cute cat look is complete. You have your little ears, you have your little face. Now pair it with an all black outfit and some really cute shoes, and you are good to go. Now, if you want to, go out and buy yourself a pair of ears, go out and buy yourself a tail, and really pull the whole cat look together. But you know what? I think this is still super cute. Okay, for our next look, we're gonna make ourselves into a cute little puppy dog. Again, we can use this cute little hairstyle as our ears, and then you're gonna wanna start off with a full face of makeup like you normally do it, and then we're gonna apply our puppy dog face over our normal makeup. This is kind of gonna start off like the cat did. I'm gonna add that NYX eyeshadow base just to the upper lip to create where the dog's whiskers come out. If you have a white eyeshadow, that will work too. Just use whatever you have on hand that kind of gives you this effect. Even if it's just a super light foundation, that will work too. Set this with translucent powder. Now let's take that same black eyeliner and make ourselves a nose. This time the nose is going to be in a oval round shape instead of a triangle like the cat. We're going to do that same line from the nose down to the upper lip. And instead of following our lip shape, we are going to create the upper lip of the dog by going from the middle of the line and out to the right, and from the middle of the line and out to the left. And you just want it to curve a little bit upwards. If you mess up on the line a little bit, just use a Q-tip. Once you've got that drawn, we're gonna add the little dots for the whiskers. We're not gonna actually draw whiskers because dog whiskers don't really show up so much. So we're just gonna add little black dots to mimic whiskers. Add as many or as few as you'd like. Now I'm just gonna do a pink color on my lips just because I don't want them to stand out that much. I want all the focus to be on the dog's upper lip. Now, a lot of dogs have patches over their eyes. So I'm gonna create that effect by drawing a half circle underneath my eye and then filling it in. And then do as the Snapchat filter and just stick your tongue out all night and you should be good. Oh, and for finishing touches, add a black choker to mimic a collar. You can add a choker for the cat too. That would be cute. For this next easy costume idea, we're gonna be little cute little bunnies. Again, you can leave your hair like this. You could even pull these out if you wanted to and be like a big floppy eared bunny, but I kind of like the cute little short little stumpy bunny. So for this one, I'm going to use my pink lipstick and I'm going to make a nose because I want the nose to be pink. And I'm going to do another little triangle shape like we did on the cat. Now we're going to set this nose with some translucent powder, and I'm going to go over it just a little bit with pink blush just to bring the bright pink color back. Now from here, you're going to take that black eyeliner again, or whatever you have that you've been using for black, and we're going to make a line from the nose to the upper lip. And we're going to kind of do what we did with the dog, but we're not going to go out as far, just tiny little lips for the rabbit. Now let's do the whiskers. I want to do my whiskers white, so I'm going to use a white eyeliner that I have, and you can use an eyeliner pencil too if that works for you, whatever you want to use. And then I'm going to add white little dots where the rest of the whiskers would go. And I'm going to make my lips pink, so I'm a cute little bunny. Now, again, go out and buy yourself some ears, buy yourself a tail, and do this little look and you'd be good to go. Or you can be that long floppy bunny. That's super cute too. Now for this, you could wear an all black outfit too, but if you had an all white outfit, that would be super cute. What's up, Doc? Now this one is going to be the Rudolph reindeer filter from Snapchat. Now last winter I did face painting and I created this little look and it was so cute on all the little kiddos. I couldn't even tell you. So this is actually how I created this little hairstyle because I was like, how do I make it look like they have antlers? Wow, this little hairstyle really did the trick and everyone looks so cute. So if you want to be a Snapchat filter, this is the one for you. I feel like it's the easiest one to do and it's so cute. So Snapchat reindeer has a red nose, so I'm gonna use the red lipstick and make a red nose. It's gonna be oval shaped just like the puppy dog. I'm gonna take this NYX eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna take the red, and I'm gonna use it as a translucent powder for my red nose. Then I'm gonna take my white eyeliner pencil and make these little dots on my cheek, 3 on each side. And then I'm gonna set those dots with translucent powder. Then I'm gonna take my black eyeliner and I'm gonna outline everything. Then using whatever white shimmery shadow that you have, we're gonna go in and highlight some areas. Now I just have this NYX illuminating powder in Twinkle Tint, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over those little white dots, and then I'm gonna add a highlight to the tip of the nose. And then I'm gonna use my pink lipstick because we're trying to keep this light and cute. And then you know what? I'm gonna add some of that highlighting powder to my lips as well to give me a frosty, wintry look. I went outside and I grabbed some sticks and I'm going to add them to my little ears. I'm just gonna tuck them into my rubber bands. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite one. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. I can't even handle it. Now again, you could wear an all black outfit with super cute shoes. If you had browns, you could wear all brown with super cute shoes. Whatever you wanna do, but guaranteed this look is so cute. I hoped these ideas helped you figure out your last minute Halloween costume, or it helped inspire you for your costume. And if you do recreate any of these ideas, please tag me in the post at AshleyULife. I'd love to see them. And I hope that you have the best Halloween ever. Make sure to like and share so other people can like and share. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. I am totally gonna be that deer for Halloween. You know what? I might even make my hubby like a hunter. Like I might go to the thrift store and try to find some camouflage stuff. Oh my gosh, that would be so fun. Or I can make him a deer too. It could be like the Snapchat deers. Like when you're taking a Snapchat when they both show up. Oh, decisions. Is this not the cutest little hairstyle though? I kind of love it and might wear it on a daily basis because I think it's so cute. Have you subscribed yet? If not, please do. And click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you could stay up to date on all the fun. Back to normal.